Well, welcome to MrYouWho. Andy here again. Great to have you back with us today. Now, today's a very, very special occasion, hence why I'm dressed as I am. It's JBL's 75th anniversary this year, and I'm really excited. JBL actually sent me this lovely 75th anniversary pack. What we're going to do today is we're going to open up the pack, see what comes with it. We're going to talk about a bit about JBL and kind of what JBL have done, and celebrate. It's really exciting. Now, I've been working with JBL now for a number of months. I've done several videos, which we're going to go into shortly as well, but really enjoy working with JBL. I first came across JBL back when my dad had his hi-fi player many years ago, and I used to listen to records on there, and it sounded really great. And I always have a great love for JBL. Fantastic products, fantastic company. They're always innovating, and I'm really excited to be sharing this 75th birthday with them. Anyway, we're going to jump in now and have a look at it. As always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for joining here at MrYouWho. Happy 75th birthday, JBL. Really excited. Now, we've done 10 videos with JBL. Earbuds, Bluetooth speaker, over-ear headphones, and the products have always been fantastic. It really reflects what JBL have done over the years. 75 years of innovating audio over the years. It's been incredible. So anyway, let's have a look at what comes with the box. So as you can see, it's just come here. We're going to open it up and have a bit of a look. So firstly, there's the JBL off the charge for 75 years. Now, we've got some cards here. So, to start with, to celebrate the 75th birthday, JBL has a playlist for you to follow at JBL Australia to listen to with epic sounds on there, which is really good. So, again, over 7 decades of playing music. Now, JBL have also given us commemorative gifts. So, there's a JBL Charge 5 and a limited edition JBL Tour wireless headset in here. Now, we're going to have a look at that right now. So, put this card to the side and a bit more about how JBL came about over the years as well. From the sounds, the Oscars to awarding sounds, a lot more about what they've done in the past. Fantastic. So let's have a look at what comes here. Again, I love what they say in the box here. You've got 250,000 carpool shows, 2 million karaoke's, 1.435 million house parties, 50 million headphones. I mean, it's incredible. The amount of stuff that JBL has done is unbelievable. So let's have a look in the box. So as you can see here, wow, look at this. I mean, doesn't it look beautiful, and isn't it well packaged? So got the JBL Charge 5, which we did a review on previously. We're going to go and have a bit more of a look at this shortly. We've got the JBL Tour headphones as well. This is one they've only made 15 of in Australia, so thank you guys. Really privileged to have you guys doing this with us. So what I might do is I might go and flick this across now, actually pull these out of the box and kind of show you how they work. But what a fantastic treat. I mean, I really do enjoy working with JBL. Fantastic brand. So anyway, let's go and duck across, look at it now. What I might do first, so is kind of reflect back on MrYouWho and kind of the videos we've done. As I said, we've done 10 videos with JBL. We've done earbuds, we've done the speakers, overhead headphones, and again, the video's been fantastic. So let's have a quick 30-second trip down memory lane and let's see the videos we've done. So it's exciting. Let's have a look at now what comes in the box. So if we take this off, so you've got the JBL Charge 5 speaker. Now again, we love the JBL Charge 5. We did a review on it previously. This is the black version. The other one was grey, but as you can see, there's the controls. Now I did use Party Boost, which is just there, which is fantastic. It was like I had surround sound using the speakers. It was brilliant. You could control the sound from here and play, but the Party Boost is great. I had one either side of me. And it sounded fantastic. It was really exciting. Now, these speakers are great. Again, waterproof, dustproof. You can get them out in water. They're just fantastic speakers. So we'll be testing the sound out shortly, so I can show you guys what this sounds like. But we've also got the JBL Charge 5 kit here as well, which kind of gives a bit of information regarding, what it does and what it is. So that's just here. So, yeah, there's a pack. So again, JBL Charge 5. I love the JBL Charge 5 for a speaker. It's absolutely fantastic. Now, here's the earbuds. There's the case. Now, as you can see, I mean, look at that lovely pebble shape, nice and light. Uses USB-C charging as well, which is great. Now, there's the case. Now, the earbuds quite easily, you just literally pop them out and pop them in there as well. So that one there sits there, and that one just there as well. Now, as you can see, it's got the JBL Tour. See if you can see that. JBL Tour writing on there. Now I've tested these earbuds out. They sound really good as well. Excellent noise cancelling technology, fantastic sound. The bass was great in them. Treble was fantastic too. Really sounded nice. Yeah, really great earbuds. So that's those ones. Really like them. Now I think I've reviewed a number of JBL earbuds and every one of them has been fantastic, and it really depends on what your particular taste or style is with them. So looking in the box, so here we've got the different types of earbuds. So again, we'll try and pop that out. So as you can see, earbud types there, and also a charging cable comes in there. And down here you have your instruction booklet too. Now, this is where all your warranty information comes into it. To JBL merchandise there about how to set it up, how to use the Google Siri Assistant. The great thing with these JBL earbuds is they've got great battery life. They charge very quickly as well. So let's put that to the side and we have a look. So there's the charging case, earbuds, the JBL speaker as well, and that there. Now also there's a case cards there as well, which we spoke about earlier regarding JBL 7 decades of raising music and the gift card. Now it's excellent and really happy. Again, I love JBL, you know, they're fantastic quality sound, and I really love his birthday present. Now these JBL Tour earbuds are excellent. Again, I've been using them for a couple of days to test them out, and they really feel great in the ears. Now, with the active noise cancelling, you can't hear much noise around you, which is fantastic as well. Got good battery life, so 30 hours you get battery life from the case. Listening, you get around 4 hours from them. But again, see how easy they are. So you open up the case, like so. You take them out, so you literally put the left one in your ear, here, and the right one in your ear. Now it pairs straight away. Again, you can control the music by pressing either earbud, so it works really well. Sound quality is great, really good for commuting as well, and they look really good in the ear. So what we're going to do is we're going to be doing a detailed review of the JBL Tour later, so you guys can actually see what they're like. We'll use them at the gym, running, walking. We haven't done this in this video. I just wanted to give you a bit of a quick snapshot as to kind of what they're like, what they feel. But yeah, they're great earbuds. You know, really recommend them. So anyway, I'll put them back in here. Again, as you can see here, like I did before, just pop them back in like that. So beautiful little earbuds, JBL. Love them. And the fact there's only 15 of these, this Tour ones in Australia, and this special is fantastic as well. So put this back here. Also, here's the JBL Charge 5, which we saw before. Now, you may have seen my JBL Charge 5 review I did previously, where I went through this in detail. You saw me using it at the pool, swimming, at the beach. I also managed to pair this together and use Party Boost, which is excellent. The music was fantastic. It really did pump. So, again, JBL Charge 5, fantastic speaker. Really enjoy using it. So, you know, JBL have done a great job. Really excited to be, you know, sharing with you your 25th birthday. Anyway, guys, make sure you reach out to me and let me know what you think about JBL's 25th, 75th birthday. If you've been part of it, if you celebrated as well, it is a really exciting time. And again, love working with JBL. Loved doing the videos, and there's a lot more to come. And I would say JBL are, you know, probably the best audio company out there. The music, what they create, the sound is absolutely fantastic. So anyway, again, make sure you check out my other JBL videos. I have links below, the ones you saw earlier. Let us know what you think about JBL. But yeah, really excited to be part of the JBL experience. Thank you so much, guys. And thank you for sharing. Anyway, that's all from here at MrYouWho.